I think a lot of it is just gonna be winging it. So I don't really know, so I'm just gonna pin some on and start sewing. And so this is what it looks like so far. I think this is a really big trust the process moment because like right now I think it looks not great. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Wear the Runway video. I am taking Rihanna's Met Gala look. I think this was 2017, I forgot the theme, but I love this look and I'm making a wearable version of it as a skirt. So yeah, this video is similar to my circle skirt video, but a little different, as you will see soon. So I hope you like it. If you do, don't forget to like and subscribe, follow me on my social medias, and let's get into the video. Okay, for this week's video, I'm going to do a Wear the Runway outfit with me using this dress. So Rihanna's 2017 Met Gala look. All of her Met Gala looks were iconic, but I really like this one. And so what I'm thinking is a skirt, kind of similar to like my circle skirt, but putting the circles on in a different way. And I want it to be like asymmetrical, but I also want to try to make it to have some volume. So I don't know, I think a lot of it is just gonna be winging it. So the first thing I'm gonna do is make a skirt, and I'm just gonna do a waistband, hopefully. I don't really wanna do a zipper. And then afterwards, I will cut out circles from a lot of different colors because her dress has a lot of different, not like, I don't know, there's a few different colors in it. There's also these two things on the side. Like, I'll see if I could put like a photo with like an arrow pointing to them. I'm not gonna do that because I also don't exactly know what they are, but yeah, I want to kind of have like a skirt that's like a lot of different circles with volume, but still like is casual enough that you could wear just like day to day. Okay, so I sewed the sides of the skirt together. The next thing I'm going to do is add a waistband. Also, this is the base material that I'm using. And before I start cutting out the circles, I will show you all the other material after I'm done with the skirt. I finished the skirt, so now I'm going to use a little compass, draw a circle, and then start cutting circles out of the other fabrics. So excuse the mess, but I'm thinking of doing this floral because in Rihanna's there was floral. The base is actually floral on hers, but I figured that I don't know if you can hear Lola, she wants some attention, but I figured that the shimmery, because it's like stretchy but still kind of firm, would be good. So yeah, and I'm gonna cut a little bit of the extra because I was scrapped from my Malcolm and Marie dress, if you remember. So I have a little bit of fabric left, so I'm gonna cut some circles out of the silver so like that can peek through. Yeah, I'm going to, now she's scratching the carpet, I'm going to use this blue and this pink and then some of the gray. This was also left over from my corset t-shirt dress, if you remember that. And then maybe a few red. I don't know if I really like how it goes, The red is also scrap from my black graduation dress. Anyways, I don't know if like how much red I want, so I'm gonna cut that last and see, but I'm gonna start by cutting out some out of these three. Okay, I have the circles cut out, so now I'm gonna sew them together and leave a little gap so then I can flip them inside out. I finished sewing all the circles together, so now I'm gonna cut off the edges and then I'm gonna flip them inside out. Okay, I finished cutting or flipping inside out all the circles, so now I'm just ironing them flat, so when I sew them on, the little edge where I flip them inside out is already put in, so, and then also just like getting out any wrinkles and stuff. Okay, I finished ironing out all of the circles. So now I'm gonna put them on the skirt. I don't exactly know how I'm gonna do it, so I'm gonna kind of just wing it, and I think I'm just gonna put some pink as the first layer, but like not enough that they'll be fully overlapped when I start doing the second color. So I think I'll do pink and gray and then start overlapping some. I don't really know, so I'm just gonna pin some on and start sewing, and I think I'm gonna need more circles, but I don't know yet. So yeah, we'll see. Okay, sewed the pink down, and now I pinned some of the gray and some of the blue floral because I'm going to be using the same thread. So this is what it looks like so far. I think this is a really big trust the process moment because like right now I think it looks not great. And I hope it looks better once I start overlapping some of them. So I'm just going to keep going and hope that it looks better soon. Okay, so for the skirt, I have most of like the circles on. I think with the overlapping it does look better, so now I need to make more circles. I don't have enough, like literally what you see here is all I have left, so I'm gonna make more circles and then I'm gonna start layering them down so they're coming off, and then have some come off a little bit further on the sides. Okay, so I have the top skirt part down, so now I'm just pinning some on the edge and starting to sew them. Yeah, once I have at least like one layer on the edge, that's when I will add more to the sides. I top stitched these little silver ones. Now I'm just gonna put the skirt on and place them wherever I think, and then just sew them down with like a little stitch in the middle, and I think the skirt will be done. thanks for watching. I really hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe and follow me on my social medias. If I were to make this again, I think the only thing I'd do different is I'd add a lining to the skirt because I don't have one, so you can see all of the seams from sewing on all of the circles, but I think it's fine because I made sure to backstitch so they would all be very secure. But I really like how this turned out, and I feel like there's a lot of ways to wear it. And stay tuned on my TikTok and maybe on YouTube Shorts because I might have some stuff coming soon on different ways to style this. So don't forget to follow me on my social medias, and I will see y'all next time. Bye, guys.